Hello, Peter here, your Pinoy accountant. So, very quick video lang. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ba magbayad online using MyEG. So, pagkatapos nyo mag-file ng inyong ITR, you will receive itong email, itong tax return receipt confirmation. So, actually, may mga choices dyan. May mga payment options, e-payments channels na pwede nyo gamitin. May Land Bank of the Philippines, DBP Pay Tax Online, Union Bank Philippines, and ito yung mga taxpayer agent tax software provider, GCash, PayMaya, MyEG. But usually, yung ginagamit talaga is MyEG dahil it's very convenient dahil you can use GCash, Maya, pwede yung mga debit cards niyo and pati yung mga credit cards pwede nyo gamitin using the MyEG. So ito, given na nakapag-submit na kayo ng yung ITR and nakatanggap na kayo ng tax return, receipt confirmation, so pwede na kayo magbayad online. So mag-login kayo sa inyong MyEG. So kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-login, you just have to click itong register. So again, yung website ng MyEG is myeg.ph. And then kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-register, i-click nyo lang itong register sa upper right. And ito, you can just simply sign up using your email. Ayan, so input nyo yung email address nyo and create password. And by signing up, you agree with MyEG's terms of services. So, ganun lang, kabilis. And then you have to click the submit and then hintayin yung activation link na i-send sa email. And that's it. You can start using yung MyEG payment facility. So, again, pag may MyEG account na kayo, i-login lang ninyo. May login. So, i-login nyo yung email address and of course, your password. Then, click nyo yung login. So, ganun lang kabilis, di ba? So, once nasa dashboard or home na kayo ng MyEG account nyo, you can actually click itong government services sa taas, may drop-down menu, and then may BIR online tax payment. I-click nyo. And then ito, i-click nyo itong pay taxes online. So, dito, it's very, very easy. You just have to input itong mga payment details, itong TIN ninyo, yung branch code, RDO. So, pipili nyo lang, may drop-down menu. And then, ano ba yung form series? So, magsaselect lang kayo dito. Again, yung convenient din because may drop-down menu. So, for example, yung ating we will pay 1701 kasi yung gamit natin. So, dito tayo sa 1700 series. And then, type nyo yung form type, 1701 or 1701A. So, in our case, 1701 yung gamit natin. Again, if mixed income earner kayo, 1701 yung gagamitin nyo. Or nag-itemized deduction kayo, 1701. So, yung tax type niya, kita nyo automatic na yan. Income tax. So, sa return period, yung ilalagay nyo is yung end ng tax calendar year. That would be December 31, 2024. 2024. So, input nyo again yung amount. I-check nyo yung final nyo na ITR. So, in our case, ito yung amount natin. 20,400 yung payable natin. So, yan yung ilalagay natin dito. 20,400. And then yung TIN, ilagay nyo. And again, yung branch code. Most probably, 000 din yan. And then yung RDO code ninyo. So, i-check nyo lang yung ITR nyo or yung COR nyo. So, to get the details of your TIN and the RDO. So, once you are done filling out yung mga payment details, i-click nyo lang yung next. And then yung email address nyo, yung taxpayer details email address, nakalagay yan sa ITR niyo, ilagay nyo. Then, i-click nyo yung next. So, i-review nyo yung mga details na nakalagay dito, yung TIN, email address, yung form type, tax type, RDO code, return period, and of course, yung amount, i-review niyo if tama ba. And if tama naman lahat, i-tick nyo itong I accept the terms and conditions. And then click nyo yung button na confirm and pay. So dito na, yung pipili kayo if credit card or pwede din e-wallet and debit card pwede din. Yung sa credit card lang kasi, medyo mataas yung kanyang transaction fee. Kita nyo, it is 459. So in most cases, if credit card, lagay nyo lang yung card number, card holder name, expiry date, and the security code. And then click nyo lang if tapos na. Click nyo yung pay. But in our case, e-wallet yung gagamitin natin. We will be using the GCash. So ito, pili kayo, GCash, ShopeePay, GrabPay, and PayMaya. Yan yung mga available. So in our case, GCash yung pipiliin natin. So click nyo yung GCash. So kita nyo dito, may mga reminders lang if yung may mga daily limits is 100,000. And as you can see, yung transaction fee is mababa lang pag GCash. 20 pesos lang yung transaction fee. So ito, i-proceed natin. So ito yung instruction guys. So log in to GCash and scan this QR with the QR scanner ng inyong GCash. So log in kayo sa cellphone ninyo. Log in nyo yung GCash ninyo sa cellphone ninyo. And yung QR scanner, i-open ninyo and i-scan natin itong nasa screen ngayon. Ayan, and then sa screen natin, ito yung makita natin is iPay My EG and then pay with GCash. Magkano yung total makita nyo dito is 20,420 yung total. So yung tax due natin na 20,400 plus yung transaction fee na 20. So yung total na makakaltas sa ating GCash is 20,420. So sa cellphone ninyo, i-tap lang ninyo yung pay na button so that mag-proceed siya. And then sa cellphone nyo, you will receive ito, payment confirmed. Please go back to iPay My EG. And sa screen naman, makita ninyo is payment success. You have paid 20,400 for BIR payment. And thank you for choosing our service. So ito, click nyo lang yung return. And makita naman ninyo dyan yung order number. Yan, pwede nyo i-save yan. And mag-email naman yung MyEG sa inyong email na in-input kanina. Check natin. So, yan, mabilis lang. Nag-email sila netong transaction success. And makita natin yung details dito. Yan, transaction success. And yung details niya, yung agency name, TIN ninyo, ano yung form tax type. Ayan, and return period, and transaction number, pati na din yung transaction amount, and the transaction fee. So, ito, isa-save to ninyo as your proof of payment. So, may proof of filing na tayo, and may proof of payment. And again, kailangan to natin isubmit sa inyong EAFS if ever required kayo mag-submit ng mga attachments. So, in our next videos, pag-usapan natin kung paano naman kayo makapag-submit ng inyong mga required attachments through EAFS, and we will talk also about yung SOUT, yung Summary Alpha List of Withholding Taxes, paano ba talaga mag-submit doon, e-submission kasi yan, paano ba yung gagamitin natin, paano ba yung paggamit ng kanilang app, magda-download pa tayo ng validation and entry form ng Alpha List. So abangan nyo in our upcoming video. So my name again is Peter, your Pinoy accountant. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time.